Hey guys, welcome back. I got you another video. Now this happened on 8/13 of 2022 in Tampa, Florida. There was a young lady that was trying to get in a bar with a fake ID, and she tried to touch the bouncer's butt, which got her in a little bit of trouble. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Step this way. Okay, no. Okay, let's take a walk. Hey, look, press charge against me for pushing.
She pushed you?
Yeah, I heard reaching in my pocket and shit, and I took that thing. Born in 2003, but gave me a 2000 ID.
Okay. All right. You're going to sign a statement and everything? Okay. All right, cool. Hey, go 10-15 for battery. Yeah.
What is happening?
Hey, so you pushed the security guard trying to get your ID back. Hey, do not resist. Do not resist. Do not make this situation worse than it already is. So this security guard over here, he went inside of his pocket and pushed him to go get your ID back.
I didn't touch the security
Okay,
guard. I don't want to have problems.
Okay, it's too late now. You got problems.
Wait, what's
You're going to jail. You're under arrest for battery.
What?
Yes.
What did I do?
I just told you. I'm not going to repeat myself.
No, but can you tell me what happened?
Did you not hear me?
Jenna! What's happening?
She's going to jail for battery. She hit the security guard. She pushed the security guard. Obviously, you can't do that. But she's going to jail. You get nothing. You don't have to do anything. You can go out and have a good time. Kind of busy. Can you show us 10:15 at Club Tambra? Put us on a 28. It's going to be at Club Tambra.
I don't know what I did. I don't know what happened.
Someone can call just
Yeah, I'll call her. So can you do me a favor? Can you go talk to Big Cup real quick, get his 43, and get him to sign a statement? All right. So listen, I'm going to say it one more time, and I need you to understand me, okay?
What? I don't know what
Face
I
this
did.
way for me, because if you kick me, we're going to have a problem.
I'm not going to touch you,
Okay,
officer.
so this is the deal. The security guard over there was saying that you had some issue with a fake ID or something of that nature. Let me finish talking.
On my
Okay?
face, it's in my mouth.
You can figure it out, because I don't want any problems with that. So anyway, apparently you tried to go in his back pocket and go take your ID back, and you pushed him. And he wanted to press charges.
But I didn't touch him, officer.
Okay,
I promise.
so you didn't try to go in his pocket?
Okay.
Hold on a second, time out. Right now, you're under arrest and you're in handcuffs.
For
For me to
what?
be able to talk, you're under arrest for battery. You can't touch people without their permission.
But officer,
Okay,
I
so hold on a
promise
second, stop
I
talking.
didn't
I need you to
touch-
understand
Okay, let me
something.
listen. I'm
I
listening.
can't ask you any questions
Okay.
or have you make any statements until I Mirandize you, okay? So if you want to talk to us, my man's over here is going to read you your rights, and if you agree to make a statement, then we can talk about it. But if you don't want to be Mirandized and you don't want and you invoke, then there's nothing to talk about. So listen to me.
listen. You have the right to remain silent. You can say you can't move against you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my phone and call Jessica real quick.
Say it again?
We're gonna get a fever over to the past. Hey, can you come over here by this spot where I normally park at? Can you come search this email for me? What's it? I can't hear you. Say that again. Okay. All right.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone? I need my phone. I need to talk. I need to call my mom right
Well,
now.
you can call her from jail.
No, I need to call my mother
That's
right
not how
now.
this works. You're an adult, right? You're 18?
I'm not a bad child.
Nobody said you were.
Then why am I under fucking
I already
arrest?
told you. I'm not going to repeat myself again.
You get off to this shit? Like,
No, I don't. Why would I get off on this? Help me understand that.
because I'm literally
Under 21 drinking, right?
I'm not drunk. You
Okay.
want to fucking breathalyze me?
No, but I'm a DUI officer and I know what a drunk person looks like, okay? So,
Can I have my phone, please?
no, you cannot have your phone right now.
I need to talk to my
You
mom.
can call her from jail. What part of that don't you understand?
I don't understand why you're being so rude to me.
I'm being very straightforward. I haven't raised my voice, haven't yelled at you, I haven't called you out your name.
This is
You got her ID yet?
I'm sorry. I don't know what I did.
Let's do this. I'm just gonna look in the back seat real quick. There's nothing like that right now.
Can I have my phone, please?
You need to take a seat. She did. She didn't mind her business. That's what she did.
I'm really scared. I know I'm really scared. Please don't close the door. No, please don't. Please don't close the door. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. I'm so distant. I don't feel comfortable. No, please. Please. Please.
Ma'am, you need to keep your feet in the car.
Please don't. Please don't. I just won't sit here. I promise. I just want to sit here. Please don't close the
We're going to
door.
close the door.
Please don't.
So, ma'am, this is what's going to end up happening. I would just comply and listen because my partner's going to yank you back over there if you don't get in the car. So I would just slide in there. There you go. Just stick on whatnot. We want to take 15. She's trying to like pull away and stuff. I'm on right now.
What did you guys do?
So she got a fake ID. She was because she put it in his back pocket, and then she went in his pocket without her permission and pushed him. So, I'm still on.
He's a hot boy. A hot boy. Hello, ma'am. I'm here to conduct your search. I'm gonna search in the front. You do rapid? Do you have anything on you that might hurt sticker poultry? How old are you? 19.
Can you move my hand, my face?
You want me to tie it for you with that scrunchie?
All I have on me is my jewel and my back pocket.
Okay. Did you give these officers your name yet?
No, I'm so scared.
What are you scared about?
I'm not a bad kid.
Your house key?
This has never happened to me before. I don't know what I did wrong. I was just trying to get my ID back. That's it. And they were very I don't know. They were just very aggressive towards me, and I don't know what I did.
You guys know her name yet? What's your first name, ma'am?
I don't know if I should say.
I mean, you're under arrest, so if you don't say your name, you're gonna get charged with something else. So if I were you, I would just give your name. If you don't give it to them, they're gonna find it other ways. And once we do that, that's gonna be worse for you. Okay, hold on, right here. You guys, yes. I got it. Turn around, pay attention to me, okay? Don't worry about what they're
Why are
doing.
they?
Huh?
Why are they like happy that they arrested me? I don't understand.
Nobody's happy you got arrested. You got arrested, that's it.
I don't know what I did though.
They're gonna explain it to you because I wasn't here, okay? Do you have anything in your car concealed?
No.
Is this the only, you don't have anything else? Okay.
This is so fucking traumatizing.
Well, I don't need that much. Good. Nothing is right.
Can I have my phone back and my house key because my friend needs to get back home?
So the house key, I can give it to you. That cannot go to the jail. So you can have it back.
Can I have
Do me a
it one more
favor?
time?
Yeah, hold on. What are your sins?
Oh my god.
I have to do your
Oh my
search.
god.
You're doing the most.
No, this is not okay. I've been sexually assaulted before. This is not
You think that
okay.
was sexual assault? Wait till you get to the jail. They search you more thoroughly than what I do, okay? Do you have anything on you
No,
concealed?
I don't.
Okay. Alright. This is nicotine, right?
Yeah.
Is it not open? I don't smoke. I'm gonna tie your hair, okay? Get me straight.
All the hair.
So, who's your friend that needs a key?
I don't know where she is. I need to.
Okay, this is trash, right?
No, I need that.
You need this now? Okay, this has to go in
Put it in my pocket.
we have to put it separately.
Neil has to go on the property.
It's part of her, she wants it. It's part of her nail set.
Oh, I'm saying go.
It's done. Did you give her your name yet? What's your first name, Mom? It's not a big deal. What is that? Misdemeanor? Misdemeanor? What are you guys charging her with? A misdemeanor.
I don't know what that means.
So you have felony, which is big boy jail, and then you have misdemeanor, which you still go to
So
jail.
I'm going to real jail?
Correct.
For how long?
Battery's a misdemeanor, so until somebody bails you out, you see the judge, and he might grant you a perseverance, okay? Let me give this to you. You got her? Or you can throw it in the car again. One nail, one key, and then this trash.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
No, they don't take it. Where? Oh, do you know? Can you call your friend? Her friend needs that key, so I'm
I
trying to.
need to call her.
Watch for that sign.
Can you please not close the door?
Huh?
Can you please not close the door?
Not close the door? I'm not gonna close it right now, but I gotta go. I'm not on your call.
Jenna! Can you come walk past the supermarket near the tattoo place where the hookah lounge is? Jenna, I'm literally fucking going to jail. I don't even know what I did. I don't know. I'm so scared. Walk past the supermarket, please. I'm so scared right now. Can you call my mom for me? Okay, come to just keep walking past the supermarket. You'll see me. I'm in a fucking cop car.
I need the phone.
My phone?
Yeah, it goes on property. It's going with you.
You're okay. You're okay. It's gonna be okay. Don't worry, babe. Can I just ask what's happening?
You can ask
Something bad happened.
this officer right here because I'm not part of this investigation.
Okay,
I just
I'm
keep-
sorry.
Here you go. the key for you.
All right, thank you.
You know where I need one?
I'm so sorry.
Be in danger to do. Okay, and it's something that you're gonna get out within a few hours. Okay, so I need you to just calm down.
Why are they doing this?
I have no idea. I wasn't here. I honestly don't know. I don't know what happened between you and the bouncer. Okay, so I can't tell you that I know something that I don't. I wasn't here. I just came to search you. Okay, but I need you to just calm down. Okay, you're gonna be okay. I
I
promise.
can't calm down. This is so fucked up.
I know in your mind it's fucked up, but think about the other person on the other
But
side.
I didn't do anything to him. They're charging me with battery. I didn't touch the man. I wanted to go in his pocket. I almost did. I like grazed his backside. I didn't go in his pocket though. I never touched. I like touched him a little bit, but I didn't like assault him.
So any touch, even if it's just like that, is a battery. If he wants to press charges, any touch like that is a battery. So I don't know what kind of interaction you guys had, but obviously it was enough warrant to press charges. Okay? So that's something that we cannot work around. If they want to press charges, that's up to them. You understand? At the end of the day, you shouldn't be out here at this age drinking. Like, this is what leads to problems. You don't have to admit if you're drinking or not. I'm not dumb, but this is what leads to problems. You're too young to handle this kind of scenario.
But that's why they just want to send that message to me.
No, not we. I guess the.
I'm not. You're gonna be fine. I'm gonna get you out. Don't worry about it. I'm going back. I'm gonna get Ava. We're gonna call your mom. Okay. Can I like give her a hug?
Yeah.
Is that okay? I'll figure it out. Anyone decides to do that's the last resort.
Hey, you can go because you don't know how old she is, so get in the car. Get in the car.
She said she's 19.
No, I asked her how old she is, and she's like, oh, get in the car. I asked her how old she is, and then she's like, oh, a lawyer will be able to say, okay. You get in the car.
What's a 43?
Your information. What? Scoot back a little bit and put the seatbelt on you. Back this way. No, like sit here, but lean back.
Can you take the handcuffs? I'm not gonna do anything.
We can't. It's against policy for us to take the handcuffs off, so that's why. I know. That's why we're trying to go. But in order for us to leave ASAP, we need to get your name so that we can.
I told you my name.
Isabel? What's your last name?
Yeah.
Keoghh. And what is your date of birth?
3:34.
Year. We already know you're underage, so it doesn't matter. 2003? Okay. I know, Mama. I know you are, okay? But we just got to deal with the consequences now, okay?
Is she giving it up?